One of the basic gunkan sushi ingredients, ikura or salmon roe, has quite a lot of fans not only among sushi lovers but also children who just started eating sushi. Its unique popping texture, which is what fish doesn't have, is a sort of entertainment when enjoying sushi as a meal. The fresh ikura taken out of salmon doesn't have a taste and is rather fishy. Therefore, most salmon roe you may find in supermarkets are marinated in salt or with soy sauce. This process also works as a natural preservative to help it stay fresh. Even if the ikura you bought has already been marinated in salt, you can also add soy sauce flavor later to make it milder. This video demonstrates how to make the marinade sauce. Prepared ingredients. This is enough for 1 kilogram of ikura. Change the amount of each seasoning accordingly. Put sake and mirin in a small pot and heat up to boil over a stove. By evaporating the alcohol of sake, it turns milder taste. If you are using a gas stove, it may catch a fire. Don't worry, this is how it's supposed to be. Just let it evaporate until it extinguishes by itself. Once it boils, add soy sauce and a bunch of bonito flakes. Then let it cool down. If you don't have bonito flakes, you can substitute with hondashi soup stock. But keep in mind, because it has a lot of salt and extra ingredients that you don't want to add, bonito flakes works best in order to add just the flavor. Strain the bonito flakes. Pour the sauce over ikura and lightly mix them. Squeeze the filtered bonito flakes to remove the excess sauce. It can also be used for other menus such as bonito rice bowl. Decorate as desired.